Barney. That's the new sound. What? Shawn? What'd you say? You are so cute. You have a little bit of puff dust on your cheek. Are you saving it for later? Yeah? Give him little feet. Oh yeah? Can't get your hand in that VCR. Mommy put tape over it. Woo ha ha. You still try though. You like Barney. Shawn. Hi. Hey, look at the hair, guys. Look at all the hair. It's finally coming in. Yay. Fat thighs. Mommy loves fat thighs. You gonna let go? Show everybody how you can stand up. I take that as a no. Let me move the box. That way you don't fall onto it. Let go! Show everybody. Well, fine then. You're being stubborn. He's really good at that. It's his baby aerobics. Oh, baby puffs. Hey, Shawn. Baby puff. Shawn. Hi, baby. Man, your toys are everywhere. Okay, Shawn. Say, Guess that's your version of bye-bye too, since that's like your new favorite sound. Shawn! Oh fine, just turn your back to him.